YouTube, what's good? It's your girl Abs. So today I am heading to Switzerland. I'm already on the underground, catching train there. I'm going to be doing a bit of partying, a bit of sightseeing. We'll be doing a few things, so yeah, it should be interesting. Let's go. Richest football club in Switzerland.
FC Basel.
FC Basel. Yes, YouTube. So tonight is my first night in Bern, and we are going to club Le Ciel, which means the sky. And got a few little challenges. Watch out. Wait, where are we?
Le Ciel.
The sky's the limit. Well, it's
The
not.
sky.
I'll come with some motivational speak. The sky is the limit. Reach for anything beyond. But yeah, I'm a bit away still, so they're just doing like toe checks now.
You are always filming.
Because I'm vlogging.
Why?
I'm vlogging. YouTube. I vlog.
Oh, really?
Vlogger. Yeah. Vlogger.
Oh, you are famous.
Yes.
I'm sorry. I'm not.
So yeah, we're gonna go have fun now, guys. Anyway. Good morning, people. So last night was good. It was a good night. Yeah, I was really drunk, as you can see by the footage. As in terms of the venue and the way it looked, yeah, I'll definitely say out of 5 stars, I'll give it about 4 out of 5 for the venue. In terms of the music, obviously, you know, I'm in Switzerland, so I mean, probably limited for choice in terms of places that you can find Afro beats and bashment. Music-wise, I'll definitely give it a 3 out of 5. Today, you know, it's day 2. I'm still in Bern, so I'm going to be doing a bit of recovering today because tomorrow, New Year's Eve, and I'm going to be going hard. Right, day 3 in Switzerland, and today en route going to Lucerne. Going to be doing a bit of sightseeing. Apparently it's meant to be beautiful. It's meant to be the second most beautiful city in the whole of Switzerland. So let's see how beautiful this place is. We're outside Ann Summers. This is my favourite place.
Yes. Chocolates.
This place is called Laderach. No?
Laderach.
Laderach. Chocolate. Just find hazelnuts.
Yeah. You tried.
Just find hazelnuts. Cool. What's happening, guys? So we are at the Lion Monument and Glacier Garden. So let's have a little look. Wow! 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 good to get rid
我
of.
们这里都要拍个段，
Make a wish.
来到了，我们
Make
了
a
解
wish.
这段历史，它背后的故事，体现在这样生活。
Da-na-na, 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 da-na-na. We're gonna try McDonald's, guys. I heard it's better than London's McDonald's, so we're gonna see. The bun's so soft. Now with fish meals, it's usually fresh because it's fish.
I don't eat fish.
Right. Fries. To be honest, you can't really go wrong with fries. Fries are the same no matter where. That cod tastes different.
Sure.
London one's better. London wins. 1-0 London. 0-0 Switzerland. But it's cool. Juice. Come for a little quick stop in Joe and the Juice right now. Just gonna get a cappuccino. And because it's New Year's Eve, people, I'm gonna be writing down a few goals that I want to set for 2019. And apparently in Switzerland, you write them down and then you burn it. Sounds like a ritual. Sounds a bit demonic actually. But we're gonna give it a go here. But I don't know how we're gonna burn it because I'm gonna be out tonight. So I guess. But the thing is, if you burn it, then I don't understand how I'm supposed to remember it. But according to Jazzy J, she says that you remember it in your heart. So maybe I've got to remember my wishes for 2019 in my heart. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm leaving Lucerne now. Been very eventful, very full, very pretty stuff, very interesting stuff. What's happening, guys? So tonight I'm on day 3. For New Year's Eve, I'm going to a club called Vegas Club. So hopefully it's going to be a good night. Hopefully going to be able to turn up. I'm going to try and show you guys the venue. Again, I can't take my camera. Let's see how it goes. Merci beaucoup. Thank you. This burger looks awesome. You know, in London we have kebab. Well, here tonight I've got well, you have burgers sometimes, but this is awesome. Awesome. On our way back now. That club was easy 5 out of 5. What's happening, people? So tonight I'm going to a club. I'm currently in Zurich, and I'm going to a club called Alta Kazenia. So, gonna see what it's like. Hopefully.
Hast du Tickets auf Natte?
Ja.
Kannst du das eins schicken? Weil ihr müsst rechts mit meinem Link.
That's what I said. There's a lot of white stuff ones here, and it's quite like weird. Feelings there. Alright guys, so yesterday the party wasn't the best. You know, I left quite early because I wasn't really feeling the music. Like, they turned a lot of the commercial music like into like techno stuff. So like, but Switzerland's been an awesome experience, man. Like, anyone coming out here for New Year's, mate, the scenery is awesome. The weather, it's cold but it's refreshing, man, to get away from that London air. So next time I'll be landing, guys, we'll be in London. See you soon.